These big trucks work hard and so do their electrical systems, which is why we need to keep the batteries cable free of corrosion when we put new batteries in them. The first step is to turn the main power switch off. The next step is to locate the battery box and remove the cover. The next step is to remove the negative battery cables off of the negative battery terminal. Now we can remove the positive battery cables off of the positive battery terminals. Now remove the battery hold down fasteners. Now we can remove the battery hold down bracket. The next step is to remove the old batteries. And now we'll install the new batteries. The next step is the most important step, to clean the corrosion off the battery terminals and the battery cables. Now we can reinstall the battery hold down bracket. And reinstall the hold down fasteners. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cables on the positive battery post and make sure they're free of corrosion. and retighten the fasteners. Be sure to clean the corrosion off the negative battery cables before installing them too. And retighten the fasteners. And now we can reinstall the battery box cover. Now we can turn our main power switch back on and we're done.